Konnichiwa, Nesbit Cheryl desu. My name is Cheryl Nesbit. I'm one of the teachers at Samo High, and I'm here to introduce Japanese classes at Samo High. This is me. I'm Cheryl Nesbit. I currently teach Japanese 1 and 2 and Spanish 1. This is me with my son graduating Cal State Long Beach at the same time. That's my email address, so please contact me if you have any questions. Our other teacher is Emily Korea, and she has a short introduction for you.
どうもよろしくお願いします。刈谷エミリです。一緒に日本語を勉強しましょう。
Our program here at Samo High is a full program starting at Japanese 1 for absolute beginners all the way up to Japanese 5 AP for students that are developing solid communicating skills and preparing for the AP exam in Japanese. If you are familiar with the Actful Proficiency levels, this is the American Council on Teaching of Foreign Languages. Our levels go everywhere from novice mid at the end of Japanese 1 all the way up to intermediate mid at the end of Japanese 5. At Samo High, we teach all the language modes, the 3 modes of communication: interpersonal, interpretive, and presentational, the fully orbed program. Japanese 1 and 2 is what I teach here at Samo High currently. By the end of the second year, students should be able to read, write, speak in basic Japanese about really familiar topics like their family, themselves, their friends. They do learn to read, write, and speak. So your student will be learning hiragana, katakana, about 300 kanji, and a lot of basic conversation skills. Japanese 3, 4, and 5 are covering everything from more memorized phrases up to creating original language in Japanese by the time they get to Japanese 5. We, once again, teach all the skills from two-way oral conversation all the way to the writing skills in Japanese. If you're not sure where you should be in the program, if you have no experience with Japanese, you are a complete beginner and we will place you in Japanese 1. There's no need for an interview. If you're unsure what class you should be in, or if you've had classes elsewhere before, you probably need to schedule an interview. We do these at the end of each school year. We can also do it in the summertime in August before classes begin. We really like you to start right away in your level appropriate to your ability. Every year, we plan a trip to Japan. We go every other year, but we are planning every year for this trip. Every 2 years, we make a trip to Japan. Our next planned trip is 2022 in the spring. And if you are interested in this, you would want to come to the informational meeting in September next year. And here's the video. Finally, we also host Japanese students here at Samo High, which gives all of our Japanese language students the chance to try out their language skills. 1 to 2 times a year, we host 2 different schools. In most years, the students are matched with a student of Japanese here at Samo High. That person becomes a buddy for them, and they're guided throughout their school day. These are great opportunities for our students to use their Japanese language skills. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our classes. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact Ms. Korea or myself at the emails above. Thanks so much, and we'll see you at Samo.